I'm Rahat, and in this video we will be understanding the fundamentals of C. This will be our second video in this series, and in the last video we understand the introduction of C. So let's get started. In this video we will be understanding about integers, the main function, comments and variables. But after this video we'll be understanding about we'll be understanding them in detail. So let's get started. IDE VS Code, and we are going to write your first column here. Let's say in order to start a C program, you say include first, let's say a .c file. You make a C file like that, and then you have your file ready. When you have your file ready, you can start your program by include studio.h, and here you can say int main, you use parentheses, return 0, and then you are ready to use your printf function. Now whenever you are writing a program, in the end of which you will need to write this. Like in English, we use a full stop. In C programs, we use this. So now, like any programmer will do, we'll say hello world, and we'll run the code. It will print hello world. Now let's use comments. Comments are used to make your code look cleaner and understandable. So this is our comment, or you can use a multi-line comment. Now anything between this will be ignored by C compiler. So if we run this, it will show nothing, just hello world. Let's save this and run it again. It will be just showing nothing because it's totally ignored by the compiler. Now let's understand variables. Let's start by int age equals 13, and then you use a printf function too. Now we will be using type specifiers here. To represent an integer, you use, say, your age is, and then we'll add the variable. Now anything stored in the variable age will be showing there. Your age is 13. You can use float. You can say 3, and then you have to change this. Go the type specifier for the floating point is f. Now that's all I'm going to explain in this video, and in the next video I will be explaining them in more detail.